Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say.
Good morning, beauties. We have a very busy day today. Okay, we are up and out. I had 13 things on my to-do list today. So right now, I'm at Starbucks because what y'all want me to do this on an empty stomach is not gonna work. I'm feeling like I want a strawberry acai refresher. It's 50 degrees out. There's no sun, but it's like not too cold. Now that I've gotten my Starbucks, I told you I was getting it. Woo! The lid is not closed properly, y'all. It almost spilled. Okay, I got a strawberry acai refresher. I'm scared to show y'all. It's a the venti size. Wow, that was scary. I'm at the beauty supply store. Usually I do not like to vlog in the beauty supply store because y'all know how that be. But I'm at a different beauty supply store, so hopefully they don't be that type of way. Because we don't like that. Because we are your target audience. Don't do that. Without us, you have no business. Thank you. So this is the hair I'm gonna get for the ponytail. Not this particular one, but this is the brand, and it's Remy Human Hair. The stylist said I should get this brand, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I didn't even know they had longer lengths back here, or at the bottom. But look at this little ombre action going on. I'm just looking for 1B, but I'm not seeing plain 1B. This looked, what y'all think? Y'all think I should get color my pony? I don't know about that. We have a problem. She said I need 2 packs, but they only have 1 pack of the 2, and they have 2 packs of the 1, color 1. But color 1 is like black, you feel me? Can y'all see? Color 1's like black. Color 2 is dark brown. That's really what I want. Yeah, we didn't get the hair, but I'm about to go to another beauty supply store. So this one only had 1 pack of the one I really want. So luckily there is another beauty supply store that's not too far away from here. And I put the hair on hold. I put 3 packs of hair on hold. I put the 1 that I really want on hold. And then if I can't find another color 2, I put 2 color 1s on hold. Alright, y'all, at beauty supply store number 2. It's so bright. Like I said, I'm not gonna vlog in here, but it's time to get aggressively watch on the security cameras. So let's go inside. So I just came back from the beauty supply store. Is my door locked? Yeah. I got this brand instead because the one that they had at the other beauty supply store that I put on hold, they only had it in straight. They didn't have them body wave. So I got this one, and the girl said it was okay. I contacted her before I purchased the hair. This one I got, she said it's also a good brand, and it's 100% human hair. This one was $60. The one at the other beauty supply store was $80, and I got 2 packs.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Do I have a pony? Oh. Thank you.
Then just tie it with a scarf.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go.
Yes.
The back of it.
Thank you.
Yeah, so tie it with a scarf like how I tied the white strip around it. The more you tie it down, the flatter it'll get.
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you take card, cash?
I do.
Okay. You want me to put this here?
Yes.
Good morning, lovelies. Oh, my jacket is all... Hold on. You know what? It's okay. I was trying to zip it up, but it's literally okay. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My hair's still in the pony. I got it done yesterday, so today's the next day. Yesterday, I don't know if I said this, but I was supposed to get my toes done, but my hair appointment ran longer than it was supposed to, which is okay. So I had Aaron reschedule it for today at 10 a.m. So we're here. So I'm about to go get my toes done. I'm getting white gel toes, same thing I always get. And I don't know if I'll do like a fancy pedicure like I usually do, because I do have a nail appointment at noon, so I can't be here for too long. So I don't know, I might just get like a basic pedicure. Like, how long do pedicures take? Either way, they be timing it. I don't know, they be timing pedicure so they don't go for long. So I don't think a pedicure would take 2 hours. I got cute feet, so it shouldn't take that long.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, Vintage friends on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep, these no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my...
Guys, so I finished my pedicure sooner than I thought I would. I thought I would be done around like 11:30 or something, but I finished at 10:50, and so I'm also happy I booked an appointment because it's really busy in there. Ladies, we are here for our second appointment of the day. Okay, we got our toes done. Now we're gonna get our nails done.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave. crave, so I wonder. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say. Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
Y'all, there's something wrong with this vlog camera, but I can't go fix it because Vlogmas, so I need it. But anyway, you guys, I got my makeup done. As y'all can see, this is natural glam or whatever. I didn't even really show you guys my nose furrows, what they look like. It's just a light blue, and they actually match my bracelet. I wear this every day. I got it from the Dominican Republic. That was my little souvenir to myself. Shout out to Pascal. Yes, Pascal made me get it. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you did not watch the Dominican Republic vlog, so get to it, babes. But yes, I love the way the makeup turned out. But for my nail appointment, y'all, my nail tech was late. That really wouldn't be a problem, you feel me? She still did an excellent job, and it looks good. And she was like rushing, like you could tell, like she was trying to hurry to get there, but she was late. So I got out the chair like 1:50 something, and then y'all, I thought my makeup appointment was at 3. Somehow the appointment was at 2, so I had to hurry up and come all the way over here. My camera battery's down, but I got a spare. But yeah, what was I talking about? I forgot what I was talking about. What was I saying? I don't know. Oh, so the makeup appointment, I ended up being a little late. But so let me tell you how I found out it was at 2. So I'm over here like getting ready to go home, you guys, because I'm on the phone with Erin. I'm like, oh, I'm about to go home. I'm about to go pee. I'm about to go chill. My makeup appointment is at 3. And then she texted me, the makeup artist was like, I'm running late. And I'm like, what she mean she running late? I'm like, did she text the wrong person? Girl, I checked my email. Why was my appointment at 2? So I had to scurry my butt over here. And luckily she did it really fast, but I feel like she hates me. Like, y'all, I'm never late. Like, I feel like she hates me. Like, I was late to her appointment, you guys. Like, she probably hates me. She's probably like gonna cancel me from her books or something. I don't know. We had a good time though, but I just feel like the girl does not like me because I was late. I mean, she was late too, but like I was later. She texted me first, and then I responded. I was like, oh, I'm on my way too. I feel like she was like, so she wasn't gonna tell me. I don't know. She was the girl was really nice, but this is all in my head. Like, you know, I'm an overthinker. This is the end of the video. Y'all saw me get my hair done, so my hair is still intact. And then y'all saw me get y'all didn't see me get my eyebrows done, but y'all saw me get my nails done. I didn't take the camera to get my makeup because, as y'all can tell, I was rushing. But that's what I get for feeling myself. This is what I look like. This is what I'm hoping to look like for my birthday dinner. But yeah, yo, I will see y'all. Okay, I look good. All right, bye.
I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.